Cut. Where did all those birds go? Don't tell me, let me guess. They're going to have a bird bath before we do the fourth take.
How did you know?
Well, I'm really good at guessing things. Anyways, once they've come back from their bird bath, we will do the fourth take, which is take 4.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
Cut. The Empire Today jingle is not supposed to be interrupting us. Okay, take 5. Cut. The song Free from Sonic Free Riders was not supposed to be playing in the background. It was supposed to be the